Hi all! From the most absolute modesty, I would like to explain in this video an incredible difficult issue to deal by many companies nowadays, the user experience design. In a sense, this is a scary topic because they can understand how to manage this process or when to apply. But maybe the scariest thing for us is they can imagine the tremendous damage their brands or products can suffer without its integration. In a world where no longer create products but create experiences, I cannot allow that. This is the reason I have started to record these videos, taking advantage of my comprehension and understanding about what these desperate companies need. So first of all, we need to answer a simple question. What is this user experience? And the best way to do it is by showing what it's not. It's not a good experience to raise barriers to anybody with a physical disability, forcing him to park in the wrong place. It's really the least indicated place. It is not a good experience to lose all privacy when you need to go to the bath because someone has thought mirrors on the ceiling is very aesthetic in those places. For sure they will not see me there. It's not a good experience to panic deciding which button to press on the elevator when your simple intention is to go up or down. Thanks God I only have a 50% chance to fail. It is not a good experience to make a mistake taking the flash water boat instead of a healthy raps oil with the only intention to enrich your meal. Thanks God I only have a 50% chance to die intoxicated. It is not a good experience, a user experience, to post an advertisement that demonstrates you don't know what time your product is indicated to use for. Infallible guys, they never fail a positive test. It is not a good user experience to sell a consumable product you will be able to use only once. If you can't find this golf ball after the first stroke, you win. It is not a good experience to publish an advertisement you can control the effects over the audience once it's placed where it's supposed it's the best place. In politics, image is everything. It is not a good experience say everybody your product stinks in the same van you're distributing it. A price for the marketing and sign company. It's not a good experience to design a logo for the Catholic Church like this. There are no possible comments. But it's not a good experience to make it even more explicit. It is not a good experience to feel a huge dizziness trying to go downstairs, probably because you'll not be able to get right choosing the correct button in the elevator. Remember? It is not a good experience for your daughter when you're trying to help to win her night affair with a beautiful and cute exorcist mini lamp. It is not a good experience either to design a little scatological kid park. Maybe it's for kids who needs to leave the stress after their shitty days at kindergarten. Or the classics, the always valued simplicity of forms we deal with at work every day. Or the evil password experiences we have to manage every time we sign up anywhere. All these cases bring us to the same point, provoking different bad feelings such as fear, doubt, anxiety, anger, disappointment, frustration, or disenchantment. Searching for user experience definitions on the net, we found some interesting ones like Wikipedia. Wikipedia says UX refers to a person's emotions and attitudes about using a particular product, system, or service. It includes the practical, experiential, effective, meaningful, and valuable aspects of human-computer interaction and product ownership. Quite good, isn't it? But I'd like to explain it in a more graphic way. This will be the image that best represents what the user has in mind. A things mixture without rhyme or reason he knows are necessary to solve a problem or perform an action. So first thing to do as a good professionals we are is to try to structure that chaos. Then we look for an entire meaning or some reasons to help us to explain that chaos. And finally, we design something useful for the user, something reasonable and comfortable enough for him in order to complete the action successfully. Sensations, feelings, well, probably positive things like security, surprise, hope, or elation. Things perhaps are not so obvious or palpable because, as everyone says, good design is invisible. Ciao!